So today is the Japanese snack series. This is the persimmon seed snack series. These are rice crackers with peanuts, and this is going to be the plum flavored granulated sugar kind of style. We'll take a look, and it's from this area, Kishu. Anyways, let's take a look. Oh, these look good. Okay, so you got the peanuts, and can you see the granulated sugar? And originally these are kind of spicy based, but with the sugar you got sweet and sour plus peanuts. That's a winning combination now. No, I take that back. I'm not sure about the plum flavor. Well, maybe it's just plums from the area. Anyways, that's it.